welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have a couple of things, a couple of goodies that I have received that I will be featuring in the channel, but I'm not going to be showing you everything that I have here today. So I'm going to move these to the side and just focus on one thing. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys this that I have here. It is a 70 centimeter landing pad for, specifically it's for DJI drones, but it's for any drone. It comes with an LED lighting strip. So for those who like to fly during the night or civil twilight hours, then this is something that you guys might be interested in. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you what we have, okay? All right, so it has that little zipper, Ziploc type of thing. Throw that to the side. Comes with a nice carrying case, as you can see. Zip it. All right, so it's a dual color, so it has two sides to it. And I'll open it up in a bit, but this thing is quite big and it might not fit on camera, so let me just remove the contents. All right, what do we have here? Sorry about that. So first of all, we have here 3 spikes or pegs that go, on the sides of the landing pad to keep it securely in place in case there's any high winds. So that's nice to have. Here is a neon reflector stickers. I'm not sure if where you place these. I guess you place them around the pad itself, but I won't be using these. And here is why I bought the actual landing pad. Uses 2 AA batteries, by the way. Make sure that's locked in place. And here you have the lighting strip itself. You connect this as so. Probably might not be able to see how it looks, but let me see if I can get you to see something. Well, you can see something. And it has 3 light modes. So this is a second mode which blinks, and then it has a flashing mode. And you place this around the landing pad itself. Now this thing is huge, so I'm going to open it like so. Hold on. As you can see in the images, it's quite big. It's 70 centimeters. It's meant for, bigger quads. But, if your quad has one of those functions that it automatically detects the landing pad, then this is great because it can't miss it. And as I said before, it has 2 sides to it. It has a yellow side, which is nice and bright, and on the other end it has a black side to it. So I'm going to show you a quick video demonstration of how it looks in the dark so you can see. And yeah, with that, I'll end this this video. By the way, it's made by a company called Owoda, and you can find them on Amazon. And yeah, I recommend you guys check it out if you're interested in it. That's all I have for you today. For those of you who are just tuning into the channel for the first time, thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. And if you do want to see more videos like this one, hit that little subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. All right, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye.